I'm doing good. How are you?
Glad to hear it.
How's the knee doing today?
Really good.
Hi, my name is Carrie. I'm an employee of TPMG, and I just got my knee replaced with Dr. Workman.
Did okay after last time?
I did.
And I kind of knew, based on my pain levels and the way I was walking, that something had to be done. I just needed the push to do the right thing.
What makes her story so interesting, because every knee replacement has its own story, is that she works so intimately with patients recovering from knee replacement, and she'd heard so many testimonials and she'd seen it, face to face.
If you're not able to do the things that you enjoy, if it's holding you back in your life, then maybe it's time to consider it. It was for me.
Usually people that are candidates for knee replacement have tried conservative management, meaning they've tried anti-inflammatories, cortisone injections. If you're starting to limp, you're starting to have pain with walking, you can't even go to your mailbox without having discomfort. It's all about expectations and where people were in life before and where they want to go after. We do this outpatient, meaning you go home the same day or the next day. Motion, stretching, and exercises the first 6 weeks is really, really critical. And I tell people the first 2 weeks will be challenging. You're managing swelling, you're managing acute just surgical pain, but we give you the armamentarium that you need to get through that. She's got excellent range of motion, strength is incredible. The sky's the limit really with her. She has all these expectations of how she wants to perform physically. It's just wonderful to hear.
If you're going to get back to where you were in life or beyond, you have to have a coordinated effort to get you there. Working with Dr. Workman and working with the physical therapist, I had such a great experience, and they put me on the way. All I had to do was my part.